Welcome everyone, and thanks for joining me once again. So today we'll be talking about Valor. And Valor is a local exchange in South Africa and one of the largest by trading volumes. And they've just introduced a new product called Valor Pay. So in this episode, we'll be talking about Valor Pay and how to use Valor Pay for those that are in South Africa, and also the potential that it might have for those that are not in South Africa and are willing to try and utilize this product. So I hope you're excited, and thanks for joining me once again. One of the huge problems facing cryptocurrency for everyday use is lack of one-stop seamless money conversion and payout services. Mobile money services have made moving money as easy as 1, 2, 3 between financial service providers, and most people are familiar with such services and use them every day. And there are a few crypto service providers in that space, and the loops you might have to go through to convert crypto into cash for a payout are not meant for everyday simple transactions. Here is how a South African crypto exchange, Valor, is solving this problem using Valor Pay. What is Valor Pay? It is free, fast, and easy way of sending South African payments to different mobile numbers and email addresses. You don't need to bother with banking details and branch codes. You open your Valor app, type in a South African rand amount, select a contact from your address book, and hey, presto. Valor Pay users are able to send rand to other users at no fee incurred. That is a plus in a country where cost and friction of payment is quite high. Another great feature is Valor Pay users can send money to any mobile number or email address of anyone who doesn't have an app on Valor or has not downloaded the Valor app. So once a Valor payer sends money to someone, the recipient will receive an email or SMS with an invitation to sign up to Valor for free of charge to claim the funds, right? So if you send me funds and I don't have the Valor app, Valor will send me a prompt. The other amazing feature it gives Valor users is the ability to connect a bank account to the Valor platform. This gives the user the ability to transfer cash equivalent of crypto into their bank account from the Valor account, or transfer cash from the bank account into the Valor account, right? So what this does is that this will cut down the steps for a Valor user to receive crypto and convert it to cash and send to a recipient. It is a one-stop shop, if you might want to think about it, right? So the three main components you think about: bank, crypto wallet, and mobile transactions that have required all sorts of intermediaries are now streamlined. So all these three components are streamlined into kind of one platform. Now let's look at the steps you have to take to send money on Valor Pay, right? So let's take it into this context. So let's say you have some South African rands on your Valor app, or maybe you have some crypto. So let's start with South African rands. I think, so let's say I have 100 rands on my Valor app, and I want to send you, maybe there's a 50 rands, right? And you don't have the Valor app, you're not familiar with the Valor platform. So on the Valor app, there is actually a segment that says Valor Pay. You go to Valor Pay, you actually click on that, and it will give you an option to either input the email address or the cell phone number of the recipient, and it also gives you an opportunity to actually put in the random amount that you want to send. Once you've done that, you execute the payment. So let's say, for example, the person you're sending to does not have or is not a Valor user. So a prompt will be sent to either the email address or the cell phone number to download the app and claim the payment that has been sent through to them. And this will actually lead them to a platform. If you're using an iPhone, it will actually maybe direct you to the Apple Store, or if you're using an Android, it will direct you to Google Play to download the Valor app and then input your bank details. remember, the bank details should be exactly the same as the user details, because right now you would have to do KYC. KYC actually means know your customer. So you are required to do KYC in order to transact on the Valor app. And it's not only on Valor, but it's kind of a recommendation now in the crypto space with various exchanges for you to input your ID details, whether it's your passport number, your cell phone number, or other know your customer details that are required by that specific exchange. And once you've done that, you've connected your account number, you can now claim that money that was sent to you, and it will come straight to your bank account. So that's how Valor Pay works at this particular time, and I'm hoping to see more features. I'm hoping to see kind of mobile money related features for financial inclusion, but those are the steps that you need to take in order to be able to send or receive money on Valor Pay.